All right, let's talk about permutations. So let's start by defining what a permutation is. A permutation of a set of objects is an ordering of the objects in a row. So for example, if my objects were the letters A, B, and C, ABC would be a permutation, ACB, CBA, CAB, BAC, and BCA. And that's all the different orderings of these three letters. So in some ways you can kind of connect this to what we had talked about previously. If you think about each position as being the first letter, second letter, third letter, and how many options do I have for the first one? There are 3. And then whatever was chosen for that first spot can't be chosen for the second one. So then there are 2 and 1, which is the same thing as 3 factorial. And so this is how it works out in general. If you have n objects for any integer n with n greater than or equal to 1, the number of permutations of a set with n elements is n factorial. So let's look at an example here. Let's say I want to know how many ways can the letters in the word computer be arranged in a row. So how many letters are there in the word computer? There's 8 letters. So there are 8 factorial ways to arrange those letters, or if you use a calculator, 40,320 ways to arrange those letters. So now let's ask, how many ways can the letters in that same word, in the word computer, be arranged if the letters CO must remain next to each other in order as a unit. Well, if you think about it, C and O have to stay together in that order. So you can imagine that they're physically glued together, the C and the O, so they become essentially one unit. So now how many letters do I have? There's one unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now there's only 7 letters, essentially, that I'm ordering. And so now it's 7 factorial, or 5,040 ways. And so finally, the last thing we want to do is connect this to what we learned about probability. So if letters of the word computer are randomly arranged in a row, what is the probability the letters CO remain next to each other in order as a unit. So to get probability, we take, there's a fraction, we divide by the total number of ways to arrange the letters in the word computer. So that was 40,320, we said. And then how many ways were there to arrange the letters where C and O remain next to each other in order? There was 5,040. So you compute this, I believe that this is 1/8 or 12.5%. That would be your probability.